What's up guys, I'm Sean, back at Thunderhill Raceway, here to test out my new custom 3-clutch limited slip differential built by BimmerWorld Diffsonline, as well as some minor upgrades. I got an AFE intake, and that's about it. So the limited slip should be a big game changer. We'll see. Last time I came here I ran a 201. That's with a passenger and a passenger seat. Now without the seat or passenger and the new upgraded clutch, I'm hoping to break under 2 minutes. So we'll see how that goes. It's a nice day, it's no rain. It looks good. That's a wrap. Did 5 sessions. I ran a personal best again. This time I ran a 2 minutes and 3/10 of a second. So that's my personal best. I ran a 201 before, so 2 minutes flat is my personal best. The upgraded 3-clutch limited slip differential is great. If you're serious about tracking, you should definitely upgrade your LSD. Through the turns, the back end feels more planted and more predictable, and I can get on the gas a lot sooner. With the stock invariable diff, it felt like an open diff. I would have to really be careful with the turns. The back end didn't feel planted, and it took a while for the car to settle before I can get on the gas. So the BimmerWorld Diffsonline upgraded 3-clutch LSD is the way to go. The car feels a lot better. I have to get used to the limited slip and more seat time. So my goal this year is to run under 2 minutes. Tried to do that today, but it was really tough. But still had a lot of fun, and I still made a personal best. So until next time, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.